Wait till you see our next close encounter. It's the story of another crocodile and his victim, and the unbelievable behavior of an innocent bystander. These impala need to drink, and the younger animals haven't yet learned that the same waters that support life can also bring death. A young impala tries to cross the water, but then he's held fast in a crocodile's powerful jaws. In moments, the croc will drag him under. Nearby, a giant hippo looks on. Then, amazingly, it's driven the crocodile off. What follows is even more incredible. At first, it might look like the hippo wants to claim this meal for itself, but that's not what's happening. The hippo nuzzles the wounded impala, then takes its head in its mouth, not to eat it, but seemingly in an attempt to revive it. But it's no use. The crocodile has been patient. It emerges from the water and reclaims its prize.